Did you know that nearly 65% of people live paycheck to paycheck, even people earning six figures? And here's something even crazier. The average American spends over $1,200 a year on impulse purchases. That's money that could have been saved, invested, or put toward building wealth. If you've ever wondered, where does all my money go? You're not alone. But the good news is, you don't have to stay stuck. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to save smarter, invest with confidence, and grow your income so you can finally start living your best financial life. Welcome to your best life in finance. Saving, building a strong foundation. Let's start with saving because it's the foundation of financial freedom. Most people think saving means giving up everything fun. But saving isn't about restriction, it's about protection. Without savings, every emergency turns into a financial crisis. So how do you do it right? Strategy number 1, the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, groceries, utilities. 30% goes to wants, things you enjoy. 20% goes to savings or paying off debt. Example, if you earn $3,000 a month, $600 should automatically go to savings or debt payoff. Set up an automatic transfer on payday so you never even see the money sitting in your checking account. Strategy number 2, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. If your monthly expenses are $2,000, your goal should be between $6,000 and $12,000. This isn't money for vacations or new gadgets. It's your financial safety net. Without it, a car repair or medical bill could wipe you out. Strategy number 3, cut hidden costs. Most people leak money without realizing it. Unused subscriptions, overpriced phone or internet plans, eating out too often. Even small cuts free up cash for savings. Investing, making your money work for you. Here's the truth. You can't save your way to wealth. Why? Inflation. If your money just sits in a savings account, it loses value every year. That's why investing is non-negotiable. It's how you make your money work for you. Strategy number 1, start with index funds. Instead of betting on one stock, an index fund lets you own hundreds at once. They're simple, low cost, and historically return around 7 to 10% per year. Example, if you invest just $300 a month starting at age 25, by the time you're 65, you could have over $1 million, thanks to compounding. Strategy number 2, use retirement accounts. If your job offers a 401k with a match, always contribute at least enough to get the full match. That's literally free money. Open an IRA or Roth IRA for additional tax benefits. Strategy number 3, dollar cost averaging. Invest the same amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. You'll buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, it smooths out the risk. And here's what not to do. Don't chase hot stocks, don't panic sell, and don't try to time the market. Even professional investors can't do that consistently. Financial growth, expanding your income. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, growing your income. Saving and investing are powerful, but they have limits. Earning more is how you accelerate financial freedom. Strategy number 1, develop high-income skills. Skills like coding, digital marketing, copywriting, and sales can double or even triple your income. Case study, a marketing assistant learned copywriting on the side and doubled their salary within 2 years. Strategy number 2, side hustles. The internet has made it easier than ever to earn extra income. You can freelance on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, tutor online, start an e-commerce business, or yes, even launch a YouTube channel. Strategy number 3, passive income. This is where your money starts earning for you. Examples, dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, digital products, or online courses. Real example, a teacher making $45,000 a year started tutoring online and earned an extra $1,000 each month. Instead of spending it, she invested it. That one decision allowed her to retire years earlier. Expert insight and mindset. Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." That one quote captures the mindset shift you need. Saving and investing aren't optional. They're the priority. Remember, success doesn't come from perfection. It comes from consistency. You'll make mistakes, everyone does, but the key is to learn, adjust, and keep moving forward. So here's your action plan to start living your best financial life. 1. Audit your finances. Know exactly where your money goes. 2. Automate savings. Start with whatever you can, even $50 a month. 3. Open an investment account and start with index funds. 4. Work on one skill or side hustle to increase income. 5. Set realistic goals. Save $1,000 in the next 3 months. Invest $10,000 in the next 5 years. Let's recap. Save smart with systems like the 50-30-20 rule and an emergency fund. Invest consistently through index funds and retirement accounts. Grow your income with skills, side hustles, and passive income streams. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Financial freedom isn't just about money. It's about choices, security, and living life on your terms. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one step from today's video and take action this week. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial strategies, and share this with someone who's ready to take control of their money, because your best financial life is waiting, and it starts today.